Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you guys? I hope so. You all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty looks and very pretty ideas of pebble stone painting ideas. These are very stunning, these are very unique and very pretty and very latest pebble stone painting ideas. So viewers, I hope so you enjoyed this video. This is super amazing and super unique ideas for you guys. So viewers, I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel. You guys also watch different kind of tutorials on YouTube about how to paint these type of pebble paintings. These are very unique and most incredible and very unique ideas for you guys. So viewers, you watch different YouTube tutorials about this and you easily paint your rocks at home to decorate your homes and gardens and whatever you want. These are the most amazing and best ideas for you guys, and you must try these ideas at home. You also watch different craft videos on my channel like pebble craft, macrame wall hanging, sewing craft and so on. These pebble painting ideas are super amazing and I am very happy to share with you all. I enjoyed these type of videos and the craft work is very amazing and very unique, and this activity is also the most amazing activities for kids and for beginners. I personally enjoyed these type of pebble paintings to decorate my room, and I love to watch these type of craft work, and I suggest you that you must watch tutorials on YouTube about how to paint these rock painting ideas, and this craft work is very cheap in prices and very reasonable to all of you. So must try at your homes and share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are super incredible and very pretty ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like this video. Follow for more details. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.